Bees. This bees is not just a part of nature. It has many important parts of our lives associated with this bee. The practice of beekeeping started about 4,000 years ago. A bee will contains 3 types of bees. There are about 20,000 species of bees in the world. But one of them makes bee honey. These bees are called honeybees. A queen fly can lay about 2,500 eggs per day. A bee can make 1/2 teaspoon of honey, 12 parts of honey in its entire life. The beework of the beehive is shared. Some bees are to look after the beehives, and the dead bees have beehives removed. Honeybees are the only insects whose food people can eat. A bee can store 50 to 100 flower juices in its body at a time. Bees basically have 2 stomachs, one of which is used for their own food and another is used to collect honey. This insect flutters its wings 200 times per second to make a pound of honey. A flock of bees have more than 55,000 pets. A bee will contain 60 to 70,000 female bees, and there are some male bees. But there is only one queen bee in a chock. The honey making work can only be done by the female bees. In fact, the bee is a small insect, but there is no end to this information. There is constant research on bees. Honeybees do not sleep, but they store information without fighting for its work the next day. Bees have 5 types of things to grow: honey, wax, propolis, renu, and royal jelly. Newborn bees indicate feeding the working bees if they are happy. Queen bees usually live for 4 to 5 years. If the queen bee dies For some reason, the staff bees can make a new queen bee. A bee has the ability to smell 170 types. The smell of bees is 50 times more than that of dogs. Bees are very clever animals. Bees communicate with other bees through their movements. Bees are very ancient insects. There are many events in ancient times about bees. Bees are insects that benefit a lot in our lives. So we should never unfairly harm insects.